Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Gems. Today we're going to be doing a special video. Today we're going to be taste testing Guatemalan snacks. I kind of said Guatemalan weird, but anyways, today we're going to be taste testing Guatemalan snacks. And James has a little message for us here.
Well, so by the way, a few weeks ago, it was like last week, whatever, I turned 16. So thank you, happy birthday. And I was given Guatemalan snacks, like as a present from Guatemala, of course. And I was gonna do it by a friend, and because my friend is very self-conscious about their name being in the internet, we have code-named this person Taylor.
Yep, we're gonna be doing not a game necessarily. Sorry, not a game really, but kind of basically we're gonna be doing do we like it or not? And James is gonna say if he likes it. I'm gonna say if I don't. We're gonna say it at the same time. We're gonna see if each other likes it or not.
Yeah. So the first off, we have this snack called Tortrix.
Here, I can get it up close. I'll get it up close. Tortrix. Just keep going.
Apparently, it's some sort of like lime flavored snack. It says limon.
Lemon.
Yeah.
So let's see how this lemon is.
Yeah, I mean, I know there's like the lime like Lay's potato chips,
but that's American.
Ooh, look at that. It looks like a Frito.
Frankly, I think it is a Frito. Basically,
this is what it looks
like a Frito, if you can imagine that. So yeah, that's a.
There's like a lemon tint to it, but it's not like overpowering. I'm not sure if I like it.
It's like barely lemon.
So not bad, but.
Do we like it or not? 3, 2, 1.
No.
Yes. Oh.
No.
I thought it tasted.
I didn't think it tasted as well as it goes.
That's okay. I didn't think it was amazing, but yeah. So the next one we have, I don't even know what this is. I haven't looked. Fiesta Snacks.
Fiesta Snacks is the next one. Looks like it's like a combo. So
it's a combo of Cheerios, Lay's, Max, and Doritos.
This one's got like more of a, I guess since it has Doritos, like we're more familiar with Doritos and you know what that tastes like. But you know, it's cool. Alright,
I guess we're gonna
crack open that bad boy.
Get this light. By the way, just need you to know we might actually be out of focus right now, so that's scary. But if we are, that means you can see this pretty well. That's what it looks like on the inside.
That's it. Like some. I think I have like a.
Yeah, we're both taking a curly cue.
Yeah,
sorry, I'm climbing it. It's weird.
So, yeah, that was. Yeah.
From now on, I'll do this.
It's got more of a normal what you would definitely find.
Yep. Well, I never tasted that before.
Oh. Yeah, I haven't either.
Yeah, the curls. Okay. Do we like it in 3, 2, 1? Yes. Oh yeah, it's
definitely
it tastes really good. James' next snack,
So the next one is another Tortrix. Again, part of my Guatemalan. Chile pepe.
Ah!
Hey!
Okay.
Chile pepe.
All right. Well.
Ooh. It's something like this, like spiral noodle sort of thing.
Gosh! Here, let's show.
It's not like the
if
lemon
you can see
one.
this,
It's
you probably
like
can't. It's just, yeah, you probably can't here.
Yeah, it's like a noodle.
A noodle.
Ah!
What?
You know what it tastes like?
What?
It tastes like it has another like lemon. Like maybe
It tastes more lemon than Tortrix.
Yeah,
than all.
Yeah, come on.
Come on, lemon.
I'm balling off a little bit there.
Seriously though? It was actually kind of hot. No, my
Yeah,
mouth is
they're
like
hot.
my mouth's on fire, but it's not like.
Yeah.
But it's like my mouth is on fire.
So do you like it?
3, 2, 1.
No.
Oh! I thought one of us was gonna say yes. Nope.
Yeah, it's not the best.
It's not. It doesn't taste good. It just tastes like hot. I don't know what I'm gonna get. But I know one of them that's in there, and I don't want to get. Oh, what the?
All right. So the next one is like.
We got Spider-Man on the front. I guess you like hold it like this. It's like a Spider-Man strap. It's just like a Spider-Man. Oh, it's all in Guatemala. That's pretty cool. Oh, it just peels off that easily.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one.
It's called Pardon is Guatemala.
Sorry. Pingüinos. Pingüinos is what it looks like.
Yeah.
Pingüinos. Pingüinos.
Not bad.
Pingüinos. Okay, well, this is
Oh wow, that's a little.
they're a little
The
rough.
shipping.
I'm not gonna lie, if you can see it, they're a little rough.
Yeah.
Basically.
Well.
I don't know how to. Okay, there we go.
Just kind of pop right out of there.
Oh my gosh.
These
Okay.
are big. Oh my word.
They're really big. They're bigger than
Mine's
the-
kind of like deformed.
Yours is
almost.
more. I'm not gonna lie. 3, 2. We didn't do a countdown before, did we? There.
This is
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, it's literally just the Guatemalan version of a little Debbie cake.
Well, it tastes worse, in my
Really?
opinion.
Really?
Because it's no offense, but it's
got the cream, the creaminess, chocolate.
it has a lot less cream. I mean,
Really cool.
you can't even see it. Usually you don't need a close up of Little Debbie, but this is sad.
I'm enjoying myself.
3, 2, 1.
Yes.
No. I don't like
I
it.
liked it. I thought it was
Pingüinos, I'm
actually-
sorry. You're just
Pingüinos.
not that good. Oh, more.
We got more Torchwicks. Oh my word. And it says picante.
More hot stuff.
Taylor, you just love us.
Yeah, Taylor.
You're like my best friend. You know?
Well, that's stretching it.
It literally looks like.
Same exact thing as the limon. It's not even called the limon, is it? Oh, it is
Limon.
It is limon.
Which is probably lime and.
Because I thought it said
Spanish.
lime this whole time. But anyways. Okay, because I didn't actually read it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here's the new one.
Wow. That's literally.
Tortrix.
Just let us down a little bit. Here.
It's the
I'm
same
sorry.
thing as the lemon.
There's
Lemon in
lemon.
picante is no different.
This is not hot.
There's literally no spice at all.
There's like
Listen,
chili peppers on the packaging.
save the money for the flight to Guatemala. Just buy Fritos and you can have both of these.
Yeah, literally
They're
the same
literally
one.
the same thing, they both
This
taste
one
just
has
like
more
Fritos.
of a lemon tint, but like.
But that one basically tastes the same.
Literally just tastes
Just
like
grab
Frito.
a bag of Fritos and it's the
Yeah.
same thing. This
Frito
is
Lay's.
actually hot and it's like good. This is good, but this.
Frito Lay.
The next,
Next is
I was looking for some more savory, but this is okay. What is it?
oh. Oh,
it's
never
Schroeder.
mind, never mind.
I don't know. That actually looks. That
It
actually
actually-
looks quite nice.
Let's get something to get on like these here.
Wow, that looks cool.
Actually, yeah, not bad.
Oh
Not
no.
bad, Taylor.
Oh no.
What is it? Oh, is it coconut? It's coconut.
It's coconut, and I hate coconut. I'm not allergic
hate
or anything,
coconut?
but I don't like coconut at all.
Not coconut. Ooh, so this
It looks good, but
It
I
looks
saw
good.
coconut.
Looks good.
I wouldn't have thought it, but there's
Guatemalan
like
art or whatever. How do you pronounce that?
3, 2, the whole thing.
I'm putting the whole thing.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1. I actually don't know what he just did. I know he did something, but I actually didn't see it, so that's good for
I don't know why you said
comedic effect.
that was delightful.
3, 2, 1. Yes. Yes.
Really?
Without a doubt. Dude, it's amazing. It's not coconut.
Really?
And it's amazing.
That is really good. Like
If it is
that
coconut,
is not bad. I'll
You've
take
done
another
good
one.
sweetening it. I don't know what to say because I hate coconut, but this is like really good. Watermelon coke.
Guatemalan Coke.
Sugar cane. You can see it's a little empty. That's because, well,
If you viewers get this, but
we just wanted the viewers to get this. basically.
Taylor,
We already had it, but we wanted to show you.
Taylor said that this had cane sugar tastes much better than just normal Coke.
We'll see.
We'll see. I mean, like,
We've already had it, but
yeah.
we'll
but-
see again.
We'll see. I mean, it tastes way better than normal Coke. That's be
It's
honest.
smooth.
It's very smooth.
That's the difference. It's smooth. It's not flat,
Yeah.
but it's smooth. It's like it doesn't like burn your throat, which I like sometimes, but not.
But yeah.
That's good.
But what would
So-
so like 3, 2, 1.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So yes to the Coke.
All right,
Yeah.
guys.
So
That was about wrap up this video. Thanks for watching, Cap. Spam in the comments. Happy birthday,
Yeah.
James, for our little birthday boy over here.
yeah. Thank you, Taylor. Love
Yep,
you.
Thank you, Taylor, and we'll see you guys in the next video.